i720s is available in two main configurations. One uses the Intel Core i7-7500U CPU and the other uses an Intel Core i5-7200U. Power users will appreciate the extra speed provided by the Core i7. However, considering it costs an extra £100 and you get nothing else for it, other than a grey finish to the exterior, the pricier option doesn't leap out as good value. Otherwise, the standout and surprise feature of this laptop is the addition of Nvidia GT 940MX graphics. Not that this turns the 720s into a high-end gaming machine, but it does provide between 2 and 3 times the performance of the integrated graphics on the Intel processor. This means you'll be able to comfortably play more basic titles such as Minecraft and Counter-Strike: Global Offensive, although you'll still have to be at a fairly low resolution and detail settings to get a good frame rate.